What's going on, guys? If you're new here, welcome to the channel, and if you've been here for a while, welcome back. Today I have no new updates on the Wrx Sti. That's obviously my car. Whenever I get back into working on that, I will definitely post videos and I'll keep you guys posted. But today we are working on my mom's 2015 Wrx. I have two updates with this car. First of all, none of them are major, but none of them are good. So back in November, I had a huge buck run into the side of the car, wiped out the whole side, fender, A-pillar, both doors, caught the rear quarter panel as well. Thankfully, insurance covered that and we got that all fixed up. And then just a couple months ago, I actually was driving behind a woman, and I come to find out later she had previously been in an accident, and part of her suspension, actually the coil, had fell off her car, broken off of her car, hit the ground twice, and smacked my driver's side mirror. Thankfully, her insurance covered that. I had to track her down, pull her over, and then after I got her information, I went back to find there's actually a huge chunk, like a C chunk of spring that's about a half pound that hit the mirror. Thankfully, that's all it hit. But her insurance covered that, thankfully, and I fixed it myself, so I actually came out on top on that one. But yeah, that car has been through a little bit. Other than that, it's doing great. But today we are going to be replacing the hood struts. So the 2015 plus Wrx came with hood struts from the factory. As to my knowledge, that was the first year that they actually did that. But this car is, like I said, a 2015, and it has 107,000 miles on it at this point. My mom is the original owner, and because of that, the hood struts are blown. So we're going to replace that. There are three options to my knowledge as far as a replacement. You have OE Subaru branded stuff, or you could go with an aftermarket brand, and specifically I am talking about performance parts. Like that's kind of what I did with my STI when I upgraded to hood struts on that one. You know, they have like the carbon fiber trim and stuff like that, or there's just off-brand options, which is what I went with this car. It's a daily driver. It's not ever going to any car meets or anything. Everything else on this is bone stock. So there's no sense in me spending extra money on hood struts. I will drop the link to the parts and the part numbers below if you want to check those out. But today it's a very simple install. I realize that a lot of people probably know how to do this, but in case you've never done this before, I wanted to give you that video so you could see how to do it yourself. So let's get into it. So here we are. I have this piece of wood right here holding up the hood because these struts do not work at all. I'll show you once I get them off the car, but here's my two new struts. This is a very simple install, and all I need for it is a flathead screwdriver. Some other tools might work as well, but I'm going to show you. These have little clips on them. I'm hoping this is focusing, but they have little clips on the top and on the bottom. We're just going to pry that off, and then the old strut will pop off. The new ones pop right on. Here's a close-up of the strut. As you can tell, there's a little clip here. We're just going to get in behind that with a screwdriver or whatever tool you have, and you're just going to pop that back and then pull the strut off of the hood at the same time. So here are the old struts. As you can tell, I can compress this easily, and I should not be able to compress this at all by hand. The second one is even worse. This one is just totally shot. In fact, I could just do it with my fingers, and it actually takes more energy to pull it apart than it does to push it together. And if you look at the bottom of these, for whatever reason, it's all, it looks like it's rusted, so I assume water got under there, got under the seal, however, and rusted them out. But these are totally blown. Brand new ones are installed, and they look great. Functions as it should. Done.